Here's how to deposit and withdraw your money on your crypto account. This is easy and straightforward, but first make sure that you have the legit account, not the account that somebody opened for you, right? Go to our YouTube channel, right? And once you're in YouTube channel, please make sure that you subscribe. You click here. Once you click there, you scroll all the way down. You'll be able to see Crypto Trading 2025, Leverage Crypto. Make sure that you open your crypto account if you do not have one, if you do not have the legit. If you have any crypto account with another exchanger, that is fine, but let me show you how to withdraw your money in your crypto account. So the first thing that you have to do, make sure that you deposit. If you like to trade or trading or investing in crypto, this is what you will do. Go to deposit, right? But before we go to deposit, this is the platform by Bybit. If we go to home, we are using the light vision there. We go to assets, we go to deposits, all right, and we go to buy crypto with fiat, and then we click here, right? We like to keep it everything like that. We don't change anything, and we just go to add 200 rand, right, which is the minimum, which is equivalent to $11. You can see over there $11, and then we can click here. You can change pay with, go to, with a card if you like to use the card, Google Pay, but I recommend this one. It will offer you a local deposit. Then we click next. It's simple and easy. Then it will actually take you to another page. Click confirm. Once you click confirm, I've known many traders, they've actually been losing money, so it's time now I show you how to actually go on about this. And we click pay now. Simple, because many traders, they've been losing money left and right. So I need to do this. We click NetBank. I use NetBank, so enter my username here as quick as possible. All right, just have to accept the notification from my bank, then I proceed. Simple and easy. Then after that, the money will be deposited. All right, waiting for authorization. Payment successfully. You can see we've managed to make a deposit, and let's go to our Bybit app, and the payment will be actually successfully here. Now this is how you actually make a deposit. Okay, now if you like to actually start buying, trading crypto, making money, please watch the other tutorial on our channel. We've made a deposit now, and let's actually go back. All right, let's go back. We have 19 now. You can see on finding wallet there. You can see the funding wallet there. We have what, 11.22. So how you can make a withdrawal? It's simple. You just go to withdrawal. It's easy and straightforward. But if you like to start trading or investing in crypto, you have to do it yourself. Don't ask anyone to actually trade on your behalf. That person will keep asking you to make a deposit left and right. So you'll keep losing money while you actually, it's unnecessary for you to actually do such. So we go to funding wallet. All right, we go to funding wallet, we go to withdraw. It's simple and easy. If you like to withdraw with fiat, you can withdraw with fiat, but you have to transfer the money. So we'll go to USDT there, and then be able to make a withdrawal. But for us to do that, we'll have to go to Luno and make sure that you have an account with Luno. You log into Luno. Is that simple and easy. Now this is our Luno. We go to portfolio, and this is our account at the moment. We'll scroll all the way down. We go to USDT. You can see USDT here, and then we click on receive. We click receive, and we create a new address if you don't have one. But make sure that you choose that address. We choose this address. Make sure that once you create the address, you check the network, which is TRON, right? Which is Tron, right? And then we copy this, and we go that site, Bybit. We paste this here. We paste it here, and then we choose the network. Then after that, we just say max. We want to withdraw everything. We go to max here. My phone is not touching well. I don't know what, for some reasons. That's actually at the amount that we would like to withdraw, and we click. We'll have to max. Our internet connection has been disconnected, and all right, we lost some internet connection, but we are back now. So let's make sure. Let's make the withdrawal. Let's go back. Let's refresh here. Let's go to withdrawal again. Then we are able now to make a withdrawal. Let's go this way and paste that address there. We still have the address. Let's paste it there. Choose the network, TRC20, which is Tron. Max. We go to max there, and then we withdraw. Now once we withdraw this money, it will get into our Luno account, and then we can be able to take it out from there. We confirm, and we need to actually enter this code to verify. And if you are actually still new, it will ask you to do that.